Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? 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 Who's my son?
And we're back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope all is well. But if you are tuning in and you are brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below, as we are on the journey this year to hitting 10,000 subscribers. You could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. Please do me a favor. Do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below. I'm just trying to get the lighting right, because as you're looking at the camera right now, the lighting is not right. You can't really see the detail of the shoe. I've been trying to fix it for the past hour and a half. I just really couldn't figure it out. Like I'm not a master, behind lighting and whatnot. I try to look up YouTube videos. I really didn't find anything, but I think it has to do something with the white balance, obviously. But I just don't know how to mess with that. I'm not the, Anyway, today we're going to be doing a review on foot of this sneaker here, the Gratitude 11. It's a holiday release, but obviously I got it a month early, a little bit more than a month early. But also, this sneaker is from J&M Sneakers. If you aren't familiar with them, their links will be in the description. You can check them out. They have pairs right now. Like I said, it's a resale shop, so don't expect going there, expecting anything for retail, you know what I mean? But if you mention me, let them know your man, the son of some man, sent you. They'll take extra good care of you. But before we jump into today's video, guys, also, I want to let you guys know that I entered this. I don't even know how I entered it, but I got entered into it. Supreme Sneakerhead. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it. Anyway, the links will be in the description down below. Go cast your vote for me. I'm in second place in my group now. And I think the first top 20 is going in the next few days of the actual group. Can't believe I'm in second, but it is what it is. If you don't mind, you can go and vote for free. You could, and you can cast that vote every 24 hours as well. So, if I win, first place is 10 grand plus you get a flight to Los Angeles to link up with the shoe surgeon and customize your own shoe. So I thought that would be pretty cool. But yeah, the links will be in the description. Make sure you vote, cast your vote. I truly appreciate it. Anyway, guys, without further ado, let's get into today's review. Now, you know how we do it over here on the channel. We usually start off with the outsole of the sneaker. As you can see, it's got that vintage look, the cream or cloudy type, the Jumpman in the middle. Also, you got your carbon fiber, but that's also in gold. Mimicking what's going on up here on the heel. You got gold Jumpman. Also on the back, you have the gold 23. Now, like I mentioned in yesterday's video, if you didn't see that, click the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you directly to that video. But the difference between this is not a DMP, this is the Gratitude, but the difference between this one and the original, this one's got more of a raised feeling than this one I showed you. This one is more like the original DMP is more like a screen printed. See the back there? But yeah, that's one difference. But there's really not many differences besides also too on this pair. It has the high patent leather cut, as you can see. That's the OG cut. Also, as you can see, it has the entire upper is leather, including the tongue. Very nice. Also in the middle here you have your Jumpman Jordan with your gold Jumpman in the middle there. Very clean shoe. It's very, very clean. But they should have did the right thing and put some dog tags with it, because that would have just topped it off, man. Plus, I think they're charging like $210 for this sneaker anyway. Anyway, taking a look at the side, like I mentioned before, we got the high cut patent leather. Also, the upper, like I mentioned, the eyelets as well, leather with your round rope laces. So, if you have this 72 and 10s, I discussed that in yesterday's video. This is basically a white 72 and 10 with the gold. That's basically what it is. Oh, but the 72 and 10s, they have the low cut patent leather. This is the OG original high cut patent leather. When they started putting it on the breads or the Concords back in 2018, I believe, when they started that whole reimagined stuff. But as for the sock liner, yeah, we kind of got like a silky sock liner. Pretty nice, very elegant. Also, as you can see, let's take it out. As you can see, we have the black insole with the gold 23 on the heel. Really nice, very elegant. Oh, wait. Also, too, on the back of the tongue, we have quality basketball product created in gratitude by the greatest player ever. Now, as for what it says on the sides, I don't know. We're gonna have to, you know, get back to you on that one. Anyway, that's the entire insole. It's actually pretty nice. I mean, they're charging more. They keep charging more and more and more and more and more. So they better make the materials nice. I dig the leather upper, man. I really do. I like it a lot. But like I got a comment. I believe it was it on Instagram? There's really no ankle support up here with the leather uppers. I have to agree with homie on that one. The 72 and 10s are just like that. There's really no ankle support up top here. But overall, the shoe is super fire, super clean. Dropping December 9th. If you want it now, J&M Sneakers got it. Links in the description. Make sure you check them out. But I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in, day out. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you stick around for the on foot review at the end of the video. Like I said, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate it. If anyone knows how to fix the white balance, let me know in the comment section. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate it. Until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.
What we do here is go back.